Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think
Whiskey D160P cannot be distilled more than 160 proof. Rated capacity 53 gallons. And we have our distillery license number, which tank that I'm filling from. And then N, this is our batch number. N represents this facility or no facility here. 24 is the year, E represents May, and then the day of the month here, 22. And then the product that's going into the barrel.
So cool.
And this tank here is going to be our last run of bookers before shutdown.
It will be delivered to you at 120 proof. So we will try it at cast strength just because it's absolutely delicious and we don't sell or offer that product. The only place you can drink it is right here. So take advantage of that, have a couple sips, kind of get a feel for each one of these different distinct bourbons. Then we'll add the appropriate amount of drops of water, which I'll tell you about when we get there. And then we'll try it again. If you love it at cast strength, don't love it proof down, select when you do love proof down because that's what you'll be receiving, right? Over here. So your bung is going to be on your larger stave. You want to focus on hitting that stave, and I recommend hitting it in between these two hoops and these two hoops. I like to one-hand it and just kind of axe it, and you're going back and forth, and the pressure, the vibrations will pop that bung out.
Don't let us down.
Come on, Zachary.
Yeah.
You got this.
How hard?
Harder than you think. No,
Don't hit it.
that's what you wanna do.
They just put it in further.
Yeah, so we're trying to get it out. So you want to hit right here and right here.
My bad. All right. Okay.
Use
All
it
right.
harder, it's fine. You'll get it.
Oh, harder than that. Harder than that. Hey!
They don't always pop. It depends on the pressure.
No, I'm
inside,
just-
middle,
alright.
and outside.
Okay. Oh!
Hey! There you go.
So these
A
are
little bit-
all at least 9 years old.
Yes. That is our minimum age statement for this product. You might get a little char in some of these. Perfectly fine. It'll
want heavy
sink to
char,
the
Joe?
bottom.
That's like getting the prize at the end of the cereal box is getting
Yeah.
some char in your glass.
Oh, you're spilling blood.
You be very.
My reaction is weird because C was actually A and C were my least favorite to begin with. They were the two that I singled out, and
got some
then
more
they
deep
ended
high
up.
proof.
But C ended up being by far my favorite at the end.
Okay.
I'm so
Weird.
excited. I love C. It's complex and fun, and I love it.
Awesome.
Here's your picture.
Maybe it's the alcohol. I'm just happy and excited and giddy, and I love this whole experience.
I have great
Perfect.
news about this barrel.
C is fantastic. I really enjoy
Wanna
it.
be in the video?
All right.
Yeah, she's. Oh yes.
I am in love
want
with
to?
C.
No, I
I
won't.
didn't think it was going to be my favorite. I thought D was going to be my favorite because I typically like the hotter whiskeys, but I went more with the smooth, creamy mouthfeel, and I'm in love with C.
All right.
C is super special because it was barreled on my birthday.
Oh.
And it's 10 years old.
Whoa, very nice.
That's a good one.
All right.
Everybody's gonna love that.
Can't disagree with that. Everything happens for a reason. Cheers.
All right. Okay. Can you?
Oh yes.
Yeah, it's already going.
Okay.
Okay, so it was between A and C at the end. My personal preference today, right now, was A. I thought it was
Agree with
a
you,
little
Joe.
more balanced. Yeah, I know Kevin agrees. However, C definitely had the complexity that A was missing, and I think overall as a group, I mean, a 10-year-old Knob Creek with complexity and a lot of strength, I think everybody's gonna love it.
Women are better at handling it. Oh, if you feel good about that,
Feel good.
Yeah, if it leaves